GM on the daily chart. Series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily. For a long time, it's been trading below these moving averages, and just 2024, we're finding some strength back to the upside. In the month of July, we did see a sell-off back into that 200 moving average. We do have two price relationships here. By looking at the history of this chart, finding other pullbacks are similar in dollar amount. In addition, using my Fib retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high, also provides a 50% retracement. This is the pocket of potential support we're evaluating. We'd like to see GM can use this area as a bounce for more upside. On the hourly chart, price is currently trading below the 200 moving average. Set yourself on alert to make sure that price can push back up above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. If that happens, not financial advice, then consider positioning going long, but you still need to set your stop loss below this pivot low. Fundamentals are looking strong. 2021, 127 billion, 2022, 156 billion, 2023, 171 billion. We do have that increasing top line revenue, and the company is profitable. This is also a dividend paying stock for those who are interested in collecting dividends, selling cover calls. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.